join the fun, it's animal rhyme. We've got our friends and sunny time. Let's clap our
Margo skips along the sunny lane, laughing softly in the gentle rain. Froggy hops close with a happy cheer. Come play with me, Margo dear. They splash in puddles, leap and twirl, watching water droplets dance and swirl. Froggy croaks a cheerful song, Margo laughs, hopping along. Over the bridge and under the tree, Margo spots butterflies flying free. Froggy jumps to catch a leaf. Oops, I missed, but it's still a relief. They play hide and seek by the pond so wide. Margo peeks and Froggy tries to hide. Splash goes the water with a giggle and leap, both friends laughing, forgetting to sleep. Froggy shows Margo a secret spot where lilies bloom and dragonflies trot. Margo claps her hands with delight. This is magical, Froggy! What a sight! As the sun sets with a golden glow, they sit together, taking it slow. Margo hugs Froggy, whispering hooray, best friends forever, every day.